Welcome to Cosplay and Coffee. I'm on my phone now. Originally, my cosplay desk video was going to be one whole video, but it ended up being 10 minutes each, so I'm splitting it up. I'm editing it right now, and it's at the 9-minute mark, and I asked you guys on Instagram if you wanted me to break it up into 2 videos, and most people said yes, and I'm kind of trying to keep my videos like 5 to 10 minutes, so I'm also still working on the same cup of coffee. Sorry if it's kind of weird, but if you haven't seen the first video, go check that out. And again, I think I'm going to make this a series if you guys want it, so this will be a whole thing. I also just wanted to warn you that there's a lot of like audio annoyingness in this video, and I apologize. It's because I have a Rode microphone on top of my DSLR, and it was, I guess, moving back and forth, so the audio is a little annoying, so I am so sorry. Yeah, on to the video now. Okay, this is just what we're doing. Hi, welcome back. Welcome to my cosplay corner. I think I'm going to give you like a little tour now of like what I have in all these little cubes and how I organize all of my cosplay materials and like crafting stuff. But yeah, let's jump into that. Okay, I put the mat on here so you can get a feel of what that looks like. But let's go through all of my stuff. So this is my wig cube. It's literally all wigs. I keep all of my wig caps in this little bag and combs and things like that. So I have all my wig caps in here, my brushes for my wigs and things like that in one bag. And then I keep all of my wigs in bags. Most of my wigs are from Amazon, but I keep them all in bags. Whatever bag that I get anything in, I'll keep it specifically for wigs because not all wigs come with like bags. Do they? Maybe they do. I just keep them all in bags. And then if I need spare bags, like I think my anti-Gwenum suit came in this bag, and now it has my MJ Watson wig in it. And then I'll keep spare bags like this one that my Pish Posh wig is in is from the website Shein because I ordered clothes from there. So that's kind of what I do. They're literally just all bagged up. It doesn't look organized, but I swear it is. That's so my wigs. This one is all of my like miscellaneous, also organized into like these gallon bags, which I highly recommend, to be honest with you. Again, it doesn't look that organized, but I swear it is. So I have like, I have some gems that just fell all over the place. Normally it's taped shut, but cool. Anyway, I have all of my lights are in this bag, and it's labeled. All of the glitter is what's in this bag. Then I keep all of like elastic and Velcro in another bag. I have craft wire in another bag. I just have like floral kind of accessories in this bag. Balloons and poofs. I think I have these poofs for my Pennywise cosplay. And then I'll keep like floral wire and the Avery transfer paper that I use for everything's in this thing. All the gems that fell out everywhere. Some flowers, floral wire, things like that are all in here, and it's all organized, or at least it was, into little baggies. So that everything is easy to find, easy to store. Is this real life? God bless America. And this cube is, I have a little thing of jewelry in here. I have to find a new way to organize that, but this is just kind of material for sewing and things like that. I just organized this, but again, everything's in bags. This is just a bunch of tulle. These are patterns. This is literally scrap material because I don't throw anything away because I'm insane. More tulle, more bags, and kind of just, I have chalk in here for like making patterns on mock-ups and stuff, which I haven't really dove into yet, but that's my plan this year. If I have a cosplay of like that I made that I have extra material from. This is from my JK Rowling cosplay. And I just have all the extra material in here. But yeah, this is kind of just miscellaneous, thrown together material. And then again, as I said, I wanted to have my sewing machine. I also have tracing paper. Easily, like I can just pull this out. It's wrapped in the back here. I don't know if you can see it. So it just goes down there, and then the foot pedal can just go down to my feet. And I can just, this is sewing. I can just sew. Really convenient. And then I have this little thing which holds, oh, I actually have some extra ribbon back there because these are really, you reach really far back. But then I have this little thing. This is literally, let's bring it closer. Glue sticks. I just found like a whole bag of these, so I'm really excited. And then miscellaneous glues in here. Safety pins, scissors, double-sided tape, stuff like that. All of the markers. And then pins, batteries, random stuff, some magnets. This is everything down here. It's a little inconvenient because you gotta get on the floor, but popsicle sticks and stuff like that for my special effects makeup, special effects blood. I have these here just to make things, like if I want to make prosthetics or something. So I have this little cube, and honestly, your standard stuff. Sponge. What else is in here? I don't know. Hair, wax stuff. Instamorph, moldable plastic. Things like that are all in there. See the issue when you put it back? But it's not that big a deal. I need to reorganize this more, but like I said, I keep my contact cement here, some Mod Podge, my Dremel. Back here I have my box cutter. I have these random things. I have my wood burner and my old burning thing. What is this called? Face mask. I have some gloves here. And then sandpaper, extra box cutter things, tape. On here I have a bunch of spray paint. That's where I keep all of that. I need to stock up actually. And then my last little cube, I have all of my paintbrushes in here, or at least most of them. And this is kind of a mess. I don't have this organized in any special way, but I've got some of these in here. Just pretty much tape. Apparently glue guns. I have glue guns everywhere, to be honest with you. Why do I have 5 glue guns? And then this is literally all acrylic paint. But as you can see, it's so big that I have so much room to add more. And that's it. Sorry, this was edited so weird, but thank you guys for watching. If you want to know more about what's in my desk, you can read the blog on cosplayandcoffee.com. That kind of breaks down a couple things that I mentioned in this video. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell notifications if you want to be notified the next time I have another video in the series. And that's it. Cheers, guys. I'll see you next time. I'm sorry if you hear my pug snorting. It's just how she lives her life. I'm just rambling now. Yes. So, what was I saying? Do I look crazy? Yes, always. Is this what we want? Probably not. I spilled my coffee everywhere. Do you see how full it was?